This problem is for black to try to kill white's group on the corner. The first move that you should consider is probably reducing eye space, like this. But white's eye space is plenty inside. So black cannot succeed this way, and black will also fail this way. Now number 3 cannot connect back, and white will be able to live like this. So if these two bending moves on the first line do not work, you should consider the 2-1 point. So if you try this, it still doesn't work because white can play this. White has a real eye here, and number 1 cannot connect back. So what about the other 2-1 point? Now we have the correct first move. If white plays here, then black can kill white pretty easily. If white tries to increase its eye space like this, then black needs to be a little careful. If black plays here, then this is a seki. This will no longer be a corner bent 4 shape. This will be a corner bent 5, which will be a living shape for white. So now, black must occupy the 2-2 point like this. If white plays here, hoping to make an eye, black can cut, and now white cannot come in from either side. So white would be dead this way. If white connects, then black can make a real eye here and win this race to capture like this. So after black's number 7, white actually cannot capture these 4 black stones on the corner. And that's how black can kill white with 1, 3, 5, and 7. So the thought process always begins with reducing eye space. And when reducing eye space doesn't work, try to see what weakness your opponent has. In this case, try the 2-1 points and see what happens. If you have any questions, please leave them below. Good luck, and thank you for watching.